don't drink and order car parts. What's up guys, welcome back to Track Use. In today's episode, we're going to be swapping these seats out with smaller size ones. And we're also going to be going from 3-inch belt to a 2-inch belt. And they're also going to be a 6-point harnesses instead of 4-point harnesses. So let's get the car inside and start working. All right, so taking the seat out is actually fairly simple. We only have 4 bolts, 1 on each corner. We're just going to take them out and the seat will come off. All right, so we got everything out. Our belts were bolt-on before, but these ones are snap-on. So we got these basically, and they're bolted into the seat mounts, seat bases. So these will just snap on here like this. Yeah, and me being me, I only ordered 3 pairs of these brackets. I should have ordered 4 pairs because we need 8 in total. So yeah, don't drink and order car parts. So after a lot of adjustments, we basically put the seat in its position. This is going to be the final position. It's a little bit more closer to the steering wheel than it was before, and that's intentional. And this is how the 5th and the 6th point basically come here. And then we're going to have 1 there, 1 here, and then the 2 shoulder belts are going to be basically wrapped around the roll bar here. Let's go. Right, 8 hours later, the job is done. We got the new seats in. They are smaller, so we had a little bit more room between the door and the seat itself, so it was easier to basically put it on. Let us know what you think about it, what you think about the color, the harnesses. I personally still prefer the pink seats, but these are gonna function a little bit better. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.